What's up, tribe? I hope you're having a happy hair day. I'm a mind reader because I know why you're watching this video. Your facial hair is growing. Now you're trying to figure out what to do with it. I'm going to show you how to cut your facial hair into a goatee. The trimmer that I'm going to use today to cut my goatee is the BaByLiss FX Trimmer. I highly recommend this trimmer. It cuts very well. I love the way it fits in my hand. Now let's get to the cut. All right, fellas, so I'm gonna make it easy for you when you're cutting your goatee. First thing you want to do is brush your facial hair down. When you do your goatee, you want to create the line where your mustache ends. Like, especially if you want a thicker goatee. Like, comb it down. You see where this ends right here? I'm going to cut everything else off. I have it to the end of the mustache. So now I'm going to shave everything else. I can pull the skin to get it extra close. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. To the end of the mustache, I'm going to take my comb, line it up right there, and I'm cutting the rest off. Now for the bottom part, I want to go to the bottom of my chin. I'm gonna take my trimmer, I'm gonna face it the other direction so this part is down. Now with the mustache, you want to get the top of it. It's always good to fold your lip like this. Then next you want to get the bottom part of the lip. Make sure you don't take it too far up because it can make your lips look bigger. I'm doing the same thing. I'm folding my lip in like that. Lord knows I don't need to make my lips look any bigger. Now, I can also, if I want to do the insides, let me show you how to do the inside. I like to keep mine more natural, but I'm going to show you all the inside just so you can know. You use your comb again to the end of the lip. Now this is the area that I want to cut. Be careful if you're using a T-blade. You don't want the corner of the blade to cut into your mustache. Going to do the same thing with the other side. The lip, take that comb. That's my liner right there. Don't forget the soul patch. I like to do it in a V shape. Now for me, I like to keep the inside more natural, but I'm gonna line it up a little bit for you guys. I'm not gonna do it too hard because like I said, I like mine's natural. And the ladies like mine's natural too. I highly recommend using a BaByLiss foil shaver to get the stubbles off. So you see there's little stubbles right there? I can easily clean those stubbles off with this foil shaver. Every product that I use in this video, I will include a link in the description to that product. Notice that this foil shaver eliminates any hair stubbles that you have on your face. Now I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm going to take this down a little bit. I have my number 1 guard on and my levers all the way up. I'm just going against the grain. And for the mustache, I'm going to go with the grain. Here's the last step. It's very important. You want to clean your face. So I'm going to use Sea Breeze And I'm gonna top it off with Dixon's beard oil. Now my goatee got that smell good and it's shining and it's moisturized. Woo! And there you have it. This is how you cut a goatee.